That's a good sound effect. Shkamam. That's for some long neck kids. That's, oh, wow. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike, we are back. You know, one of my favorite places on earth. I say that all the time, but it truly is. This is Copart, and this is a massive sized yard. They have, everything you could ever want. And today we're gonna go exploring and find something to add to my channel, and maybe find something that you might want to put into your own garage. So let's get to work. First up, hubba. How about a new Mitsubishi Outlander? This is the bigger one. Yeah, I love this. It is new, it is massive, it is a whitish gray, and it has a gigantic grille on the front. Now there is some damage, I'll show you that. But I wanted to do this because I haven't seen these just quite yet, and it's a good looking SUV. Maybe you can see the cutout in the back. So it's brand new, it's got new tires, it has new rims. There's no damage to the windshield. What happened was, shkamam. That's a good sound effect. Shkamam, right there. Yeah. So, this is pretty serious. Okay, the bumper, no, you can't come back from that unless you're really, really good at filling in plastic and plastic welding right there. This would be a serious thing, and this is why it was here. Man, somebody just bought this and then they got slammed going through an intersection, I'm guessing. I don't know for sure. But it is a nice looking SUV. Not the largest in the world, but it's nice. Let's take a look at the inside over here. So you've got the black. Ooh, this is nice in here. You do have third row seatings with the weirdest looking headrests I have ever seen. That's for some long neck kids right there. Remember him, the long neck kid with the red hair? All over social media for a while. Whatever happened to him? This is a good looking interior. It smells new because it is new. I like this. So this is kind of a vinyl. This is a fabric material. This is nice. And I believe she's got the power. So let's get in here. We'll give her a start and see what she sounds like. But yeah, this, unless you're really good with body work, yeah, and welding, this might ultimately be a parts car. Yeah, we have power. Hopefully we have AC as well. Start and stop, push the button. 14,000 miles. Ooh. Look at this. You know what? This was I think this was a rental car because they have this sticker right here. Give me some AC, peoples. Hopefully. I like how they have this integrated as it goes along the dash. And this is the plastic part, and here are your vents. This is nice. So let's go through some of the warning systems. Rear, of course. Yeah, the rear area has been smushed. Lots of things that are not available, whatever that is. Oh, the side impact warning system. 14,000 miles, half a tank of gas, no sunroof or anything, but look at your shift knob. How cool is that? Okay, let's see how we do this. So there's drive. You push this, and the whole thing kind of stays. That's nice. That's really different. Look at all your cameras. Way to go, Mitsubishi. That is really cool. Now, if you see a lot of vents in this video, or perhaps you see a lot of me more than usual, because I'm cooling down the camera. It overheated at another place, and I couldn't get all the videos that I wanted to get because it was too hot. And today, I believe, it's even hotter. So, we're going to be showing lots of vents as the air conditioner cools off the camera, also known as my iPhone. So anyway, this is nice. Your hill descent, all the different types of terrain, your parking brake. This is really cool. Audio off. We're not listening to anything. Okay, I'm not going to go through and show all this kind of stuff. People have told me that it's nice to kind of, if you can quickly figure out what they listen to, but if not, it gets really, really old, really, really fast. Okay, so we are in park. Let's check out what a new Mitsubishi engine looks like and sounds like. Here's your door, your hood pull. Okay. I will say the fabric kind of grabs your pants as you try to slide out of here. This doesn't want to give. So you come out with a wedgie, an atomic wedgie. And look how this, oh, this, does this whole thing? Oh, that's different. Here's your pull. And there you go. This is 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder engine. Well, good for you. Working overtime. It's a new engine, so the fluids are supposed to be good. Yeah, the brake fluid looks great. Antifreeze looks great. It's a new car. And it sounds like a Mitsubishi. They just have that sound. I don't know if I like how this thing hangs out over the hood though. But there it is. It looks better when you back up. See, that looks pretty good. You get in like this, that's kind of weird. Yeah, but I do like the lights. This is cool. I bet it looks great at night. It really does. Okay, 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander. Thank you for your service. We're gonna move on to something else. We're gonna stick with our white SUV theme so far. 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee SUV. Almost new. And the damage doesn't look to be too severe. So this one is salvageable. These are big cars. This is bigger than that Mitsubishi. I like it. I really do. No damage anywhere other than what I'm about to prepare you to see. Yeah, it's not that severe though. So we have nice Bridgestone Dueler tires. No damage, no damage, no damage. And here it is. Not too severe. Will this even open for us so we can see? Yeah, here we go. So this is pushed down a little bit. The arm still looks to be straight. You will need a fender. You'll need a bumper and a headlight and a hood. So because this is a new vehicle, good luck finding those. Look at the spare tire. That's not a regular spare. That's, I don't know. That's ugly. That thing is ugly. It's butt ugly, as we used to say. Damage down here. Let's look. I saw the inner wheel well is missing. Other than that, though, she's not going to have a problem at all starting. Little bitty battery, if that's what this is. Are you the battery? No, that's your fuse box. Okay. I think we're missing the engine cover. If I remember right, these had just like a massive piece of plastic right on top. It looks like it because you have the mounting points right there. Pink fluid. Loved your album. Pink fluid off the wall. Older folks will get that. Inside. Ooh, she's nice. They got this rear seat reclined. Oh, here's your wheel right there. So maybe that is your spare. Those are ugly as can be. And this is there's a smell. It's not really a new car smell. And it's not really like an armpit. It's kind of a mix of the two. A freshly washed armpit, maybe? I don't know if I like it or not. Oh, whoever had this car was tall. Here we go. Oh, we don't need those on. Here we go. Let's cool off a little bit. We have right front lighting service required. Rear seat alert active. Oil change is required. There you go. Well, that says 0 because it's got the spare on there. We got a half a tank of gas. If I hit this, when does my, there we go. There's your speedometer, 18,293 miles. This is gorgeous. And once again, they've kind of integrated the vents so they're not huge and they don't stick out. I kind of like that. I really do. I'm liking the air conditioner even more because it is really, really cold. So let's cool off the phone so we can continue to do this. This is black, it's plastic, it's kind of scratched up. Of course it's going to get scratched up. This is really dirty. This is where you're going to throw your keys when you get in here. There's your little charging port. You got a couple of USB ports. Let's see what she does. Here we go. That's drive. She goes into drive perfectly. There you go. Rear view camera. Everything is great. We'll go back into park. Look at the buttons up here. This is very cool. It's almost like a Range Rover, I would say. I'm trying to figure out how you can move the steering wheel. Oh, the steering wheel is still manual. Oh, in a fancy car like this? Yeah, there's still a mount. Okay. I'm not going to gripe at all. Lots of storage up here. Your glove box. All kinds of instruction booklets right in there. No sunroof once again. Okay. Like our cars, buy our cars. Okay. Maybe this was a rental, another rental. I don't know. Everything's going to work. Absolutely. So I have been on TikTok lately, and who has not? But I saw them, and they had a Grand Cherokee like this. They had the cabin, the whole cab, just removed from the frame and the engine and the transmission. And I don't remember what they were working on. But the mechanics actually pointed out a coolant hose. It's like my hand is like that by that. And to get to it, they said you have to separate the body from the frame. And they said, how much fun is that going to be when that gets old and it pops? I don't know if that's true or not, but that would be terribly bad designing. That, I don't know. I don't know if, the engineers and designers have it in for mechanics and they just try to drive them crazy with the placement of some things or not. But that was just a crazy, crazy sight to see. Let's see what the engine is like when it's running. I'm loving the car though. Dead silent. Listen to that. You can't even hear it. Very nice job, Jeep. Very nice job. Okay, there you go. 23 rather, Jeep Grand Cherokee. Proudly American. That is kind of pretty against the blue sky. That is a blue Nissan Kicks. Yeah, from what does this say up here? 2021. So this is the redesigned. Yeah, Nissan brought this out to replace the Juke. They wanted a kind of little subcompact looking SUV for folks who were interested in the Versa. And they might like something a little taller, a little more advanced, I guess. It's a different looking vehicle. I'll give you that. Damage is not extensive at all. Is this it? Right here. You need a headlight. You have a dent right here. Okay, a little crack in the paint. And your bumper. I don't even know if I'd worry about that. Oh, and you got your side view mirror. Yeah, right there. This is cracked pretty good. So I would, get the bumper. Get a bumper. I don't know about a hood. Fix it yourself. You'd save a ton of money. Let's take a look inside. These all have a little, 4-cylinder engine, CVT transmission. They say, Consumer Reports, what does that smell? That's not enjoyable. I don't know. That's just a funky cold Medina. I don't know. Is that from Nissan or is that from the owner? Oh, wow. So you can see a lot of people have been in this. They really want to check it out. And I think we have power. So we're going to join the crowd. We're going to do what everybody else does. Here's your start and stop button right here. Come on. No key detected. The key's right here. Do I have to put it in somewhere? Don't do this to me because it's hot. Here's where your key used to go. Let's place the key near the starter switch. It is. And then hit OK. And now let's see what happens. No key detected. Oh, come on, Mike. I don't want to waste time in here. It's 6,000 degrees outside. She's not doing anything. She really isn't. Hold on. If I hold the key here, still no key detected. I got the key right here, dude. And if I hit it twice, it's not doing anything. Okay, well, I'm not going to waste time in here because it is literally a billion degrees. I don't want my phone to overheat. We will take a look under the hood, and that smell, that's just a thing. That really is. It's a beautiful blue color, though. Minor damage. I'm sure it runs and drives. Here you go. They don't make the prettiest engines, and they don't make the best transmissions. That CVT is good for a little while, and then they just fall to pieces. Okay, but here's what she looks like underneath. Nice little Renault, Nissan battery, and one non-starting Nissan Kicks. So we're gonna end the video. Well, that's a disappointment. I really wanted to hear what it sounded like. I picked out some strange cars this time, or strange SUVs. I'll try to continue to do that because look at the options we have here. There are so many cars and trucks, and I'm seeing some familiar friends. We have that very nice Lexus SC over there that I've shown you. We have that surprisingly good Mercedes 500 SL 500 that actually started in another video. And then you have everything, basically. All right, I'll try to show you some different vehicles in the next video, but thank you for watching this one. Please like, please share, and most of all, please subscribe. I'm on that upward trend. I guess it would be that way if you guys, one of these two ways. I don't know, with the subscriptions, which is fantastic. All right, thank you for your help, and we're back with another video very soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.